Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinker Hunt, so let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, so this is Tinker Hunt 16. Once again, it is a scavenger hunt where you're trying to find these 5 items: a jack-o'-lantern, a rocket, Blanky, the celebrating kid, and the unicorn dude. They are hidden all throughout this project. They are super tiny. Whenever you're searching, you can click on an item. If you press F, it'll zoom in, and then you can pan around and look. You can also do Control H to look behind it. That is the hide button. This is the show all button, and right here is home, so you can come back to the beginning and keep looking throughout this awesome project. Friends, I will post a new one of these every Sunday. Inside them, I'm going to start giving you the champ message right here, as well, of course, as the shout out in the video. So this week we had Aviut, Maddie, and Uriel that gave me correct solutions. Thanks again for participating. Of course, everybody else, if you want to give a solution, you can do it in the YouTube comments below. If you're in my classroom, you can, of course, add it in Google Classroom. If those options aren't available to you, friends, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com. I have got a page dedicated to Tinkercad, lots of amazing lessons, and then also down at the bottom, there is a built-in messaging tool. You can click on this, add your solution, and ship it to me almost instantly. Friends, while I'm on HLModTech.com, let me also remind you about the Designer Showcase and our new Designer Directory. This is a place where you can find Tinkercad profiles of users that have shared theirs with me. Once again, friends, you can use this to share your profile with me so you can be added to the designer directory. When you click on one of these, you get to see all the designs that the user has made. It's a very cool way to see a lot of amazing designs. When you do check out their designs, don't forget to click on them and give them a reaction. It's a fantastic way to let designers know you appreciate the hard work they're putting into their amazing creations. Finally, friends, I hope you have fun with the Tinker Hunt, and of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you've got a question, comment, or solution, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a good